Hello students, welcome to Study Doubt. This question is from Chemistry, chapter Thermodynamics. In this question, here one reaction is given, 2A in the gaseous state react with B in the gaseous state, form 2D in the gaseous state. The standard internal energy, change in the internal energy is given as minus 10.5 kilojoule. And entropy change, standard entropy change is given minus 44.1 joule per Kelvin. We have to calculate the change in the standard Gibbs energy for the reaction and predict whether the reaction may be spontaneous or not. So to find the standard Gibbs energy, we can use the formula delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. As Gibbs energy is a standard, so we take enthalpy standard and the entropy also in the standard form. Here is our reaction 2A in the gaseous state react with B and forms 2D in the gaseous state. According to the question, delta U value is given minus 10.5 kilojoule and delta S is equal to minus 44.1 joule per Kelvin. So to find the Gibbs energy, we need to find the enthalpy, change in enthalpy. And how we will find the change in enthalpy? So to find the change in enthalpy, we are going to use another formula. Delta H standard is equal to delta U standard plus delta EV. And here our reaction is in the gaseous state. So if we use the ideal gas equation, so we can say that PV is equal to delta N RT. If this is the change, so this is equal to delta N RT. So can we write it as delta H is equal to delta U plus delta N RT. Here we consider R is equal to 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole. It can be also written as 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilojoule per Kelvin per mole. And the temperature is equal to 298 Kelvin. Let's substitute the value. First we find the delta H naught and this value we substitute it here. So first find delta H value. So delta H is equal to delta U naught. Delta U naught is minus 10.5 kilojoule. So minus 10.5 kilojoule plus change in the mole delta N. Delta N is equal to total mole of the product minus total mole of the reactant. So total mole of the product is 2. So 2 minus reactant is 2 plus 1, it's equal to 3. So we get minus 1. So here we substitute minus 1. R is equal to 8.314 into 10 to the power minus 3 kilojoule per Kelvin mole. We convert in term of minus 3 because here we have kilojoule. So either you can convert this to joule or 8.314 to kilojoule into temperature is 298 Kelvin. So delta H is equal to minus 10.5 kilojoule minus 2.478 kilojoule. It is equal to minus 12.978 kilojoule. So we got the value of a standard change of enthalpy. Now based on this information, we can find our Gibbs energy. So here we can write delta G naught is equal to delta H naught minus T delta S naught. So delta H value is minus 12.978, minus temperature is 298 Kelvin, and change in the entropy is given as minus 44.1 joule per Kelvin. So we substitute it here, minus 44.1 joule per Kelvin. So delta G is equal to minus 12.978 minus, and minus will become plus, 13.112. It's equal to 0.164 kilojoule. So this is the value of delta G naught. And you see this delta G naught is what? It's positive. So positive when delta G value is greater than 0, it's considered as non-spontaneous reaction. And when it is less than 0, spontaneous reaction. And equal to 0 is considered as at equilibrium. So here we can say that delta G value is greater than 0, so it is non-spontaneous reaction. So this is the answer of this question. If you have any doubt, you can mention it in the comment box. I will try to resolve it. Thank you so much.